Here's how to fix your AirPods if only one side is working. Now, if you put your AirPods in your ear and either the left side or the right side only works and the other one doesn't, the first thing you're going to do is head into the settings of your AirPods to make sure there's battery. So tap on the settings app of your iPhone and then tap on Bluetooth here. And then you can see AirPods Pro. Make sure you're connected to it. And after you do, tap the little I and make sure that it says both of these are 100%. If it's not 100%, just plug it in and charge it. Now, if this doesn't work to fix it, what we're going to do is factory reset them, and that oftentimes fixes it. So make sure both the left and right AirPods are in the AirPods or AirPods Pro case. After you've done that, let's flip over to the back and you're going to use this button, the white button right here. It's right under the silver hinge. So let me flip it over again. And you need to open up the case first. And you can see it's connected to my iPhone. And I'm going to press and hold on that button. You can see when I start to press on it, it switches to blinking white. But we're just going to keep holding even though that happens because we need to wait for the next step that it will switch from blinking white like this to blinking amber, just like that. But keep holding, don't let go yet until it switches back to white. After it does, you can lift your finger and then close the lid. Essentially what you've done is a factory reset on them. And now all you need to do is open up back again and you'll be able to see their factory reset. They won't be tied to my iPhone. You can see it's as if they're brand new. If that still doesn't work, a lot of times the issue is in the case itself. You can see at the very bottom of the case, it's probably hard to see, is a little metal strip that uses basically the metal strip on your AirPods to charge them. So get a sort of a Q-tip or something and clean out the inside of the case and see if that helps to fix it as well. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.